Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great hand soap. It's by a company called Puracy, and I absolutely love it. They sent these over, and this particular one is the Ocean Mist. They have a lot of great scents, but this is a refill pack. So I have a lot of glass jars that we use for soap, so we don't need the little containers. We just buy the refills. As you can see, it has a nice, easy to pour spout, and it comes in this nice bag, which means it flats pack, and you can easily throw it in the recycle bin when you are done. But why I like this brand is it's all made out of plant-based ingredients. It absolutely my hands feel nice and clean when utilizing it. They feel very refreshing. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals, and it doesn't have any like soapy residue after washing my hands. And the fragrance smells great. I actually like the Ocean Breeze. It's a very nice, light scent. It's not overpowering or anything like that. Obviously, this is a 48-ounce container, so you're going to get plenty of soap. It lasts a long time. The soap is also goes a long way, and it lathers up super, super nice, which is another great aspect of it. So if you're looking for a more natural-based ingredients when it comes to soap, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.